Most people never expect to need a personal injury attorney. You're driving to work, walking through a grocery store, heading home from the gym, and suddenly in one moment, everything changes. Accidents interrupt life. They create chaos, bills, pain, confusion, and questions you've never had to ask before. And if you're watching this, maybe you or someone you love is in that moment right now. So today, I want to break down something simple, honest, and surprisingly misunderstood. A lot of people think that after an accident, you just call the insurance company, send them a few photos, and they'll take care of you. I wish it worked like that. Whether that means negotiating relentlessly or taking your case to court when the insurance company refuses to do what's right. Our job is simple. One of the biggest misconceptions is thinking their injury is not big enough to hire a lawyer, but pain that affects your job, your sleep, your daily routine, your ability to show up for your kids, that's not small, that's life changing. Another misconception that hiring a lawyer means going to trial. Actually, most cases settle without ever stepping foot in a courtroom, but when a firm is willing to go to trial, when they're prepared, that's when insurance companies take your case seriously. After an accident, you only get one chance to do this right, one settlement, one outcome, no do-overs. When you hire a personal injury attorney, you're not just hiring someone to fill out paperwork. You're hiring someone who understands the full system, the injuries, the medicine, the law, the strategy, the negotiations, the psychology behind insurance tactics, and the value of your pain and recovery. Our job is to take the stress off your shoulders so you can focus on healing. The truth is, insurance companies are billion-dollar corporations with one goal: protecting their bottom line. Third, we help get you medical care. Not everyone has insurance or thousands of dollars to spend on doctors. We connect you with reputable medical providers who treat your injuries now and get paid later through your case, because your health shouldn't depend on the size of your bank account. Fourth, we calculate the full value of your claim, not just the obvious cost, but the long-term impact. Your pain, lost wages, ongoing treatment, future limitations, and the emotional toll of being injured. Insurance companies never tell you about those categories. Minimize your injury, downplay your pain, and settle your claim for as little as possible. Now, someone who understands the law, the medicine, and the process is advocating for you, not for profit. Section 2, what we actually do. Most of the work you never see. First, we protect your rights from day one. We deal with the insurance companies so you don't have to. No more recorded statements designed to trap you. Second, we investigate. We gather evidence, pull medical records, obtain traffic cam footage, speak to witnesses, reconstruct the crash when needed. All of this paints the real picture of what happened. You didn't ask for this accident. You didn't plan for this setback, but you can choose who stands with you as you recover from it. If you're overwhelmed, scared, in pain, or unsure about your next step, a personal injury attorney exists to protect you, guide you, and fight for the outcome you deserve. And even if you don't hire us, get informed, ask questions, and don't let an insurance company decide the value of your life.